Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today, I'm going to be showing you this mystery Johann that I got from another one of the guys at the club. We picked up a lot of kits from his house, and I'm going to show you one of them today. So, without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so as you can see, it's not a box that you'd expect from Johann. I think this is not from the actual company, but on the front it says 1963 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. And I don't know if you guys know this, but this is kind of a special kit because Johann only made the 1963 Cadillac for I think it was twice, and all after that they went into convertible, and this is the hardtop version. So this was an original Johann kit, and like what I mean by original is that it came in these type of boxes, these really old ones. Oh, I'm assuming these are the first ones released. I'm pretty sure, because this box art looks old. This is just the Dodge Dart one. This isn't the real Cadillac one. I have this kit, so if you would like to see an unboxing, let me know. Anyways, it came in originally one of those boxes, but he didn't have it, unfortunately, which is a bit of a bummer. I know that because Scalemates, I looked up on Scalemates, and they have great history on there, so yep. And I'm just taking the stuff out the box now. I'll go over this whole thing because it's an interesting thing, because I haven't seen something this unique in a while. Anyways, the normal Cadillac rims that come in the other kits, and oh, I was going to show you. So this is the 63 Cadillac, and I don't really know the distinction between the two, but I know that they're different. Oh, here it is. Yeah, because I brought it out the side here. So I also own the 1964 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, and actually, an interesting fact about this kit: it was released under the DeVille series, Coupe de Ville series, but it should be under the Seville, because like Cadillac at the time was releasing the, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Borum series. But this is supposed to be a Seville, not Coupe de Ville. I'm not sure the difference, but if there's any Cadillac fans, let me know, because I'd love to know some more history about this kit. Like I was saying, this kit, it was originally released hardtop, I think twice, and then from there on out it was released as the 64 as convertible, and I think they based it on the 64 Coupe de Ville as well. But as we take it out, I think this might have been a promo. Not a promo, but it's a promo bottom sort of thing. It comes with the engine. Very nice headers. I enjoy seeing Cadillac molded onto them. Very interesting. It's one of the more basic engines. See, there's a one-piece top with the two headers and the intake, and then the one-piece fan and the belt, or one-piece belt and the fan, and then it just puts in, or snaps in. No front suspension assembly. Oh, there goes the top of it. My dad's gonna build this one up, so don't worry, I didn't ruin anything. Here is, here's the interior tub. As with most Johanns, it's a very shallow build kind of reminds me of the 60 Plymouth Fury, or sorry, 60 Plymouth Wagon that I did. Anyways, this is previously painted, and here's the glass. It's very dirty. There's a distinctive dirt mark around the outside. I don't know if you can see that there. You kind of see it now. And unfortunately, the hood is a little bit broken on the side there. And here is the body. There's the front of it. There's top. See big mold pivots, points, sink marks. One of the things that my dad commented on was that this car has a very evil look to it, where it's straight and the tail fins just go slick back. Just like, it reminds me of like a Batman, sorta, with the wing build. We have bits and pieces in the bag. As you can see, this was originally a promo kind of model. Has screws, screw bottom for actual metal. And to confirm that this is the real 63 kit and not just a 64, the grill says 1963 on it, and the 64 kits, like these ones, 64 convertible has 64 on the grill, and this one also has 64 on the grill, but that's a real photo of a real car, so it won't show it. But I mean, look at this grill detail. It's magnificent. It's beautiful. And here's the rear bumper. Also says 63 on it. And here's the dashboard. Has all the markings on it and stuff. Steering column hole. And there's more hubcaps in the bag, but you can really see the Cadillac emblem. Beautiful. I love Johan. It's probably my favorite brand. A model kit manufacturer. Oh man, there's a Cadillac logo in the middle of that steering column, I think. It's very faint, but it's there. Very impressive. And firewall. And there's also, oh, I think, yeah, white wall rims. Or white wall wheels, not rims. Anyways, this is just one of the very unique kits that we own and that we've acquired from Barry. Thank you, Barry, for allowing us to have these kits in our collection. I appreciate that. But we have so many more, like, just to name a couple, I'll point them out. So, as you saw before, this 1962 Rambler, or 1962 Dodge Dart convertible, first release. And I'll tell one more. We have the, what is it? Oh, there's a very interesting promo that my dad also has plans for, so if you'd like to hear more about that, let me know. Anyways, thank you for watching this video on this interesting 1963 Johan Cadillac Coupe de Ville, or Seville as some may call it. So, see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.